that tomorrow.
Oh, man.
No, that shit hurt. I'm good.
A real cameraman puts his fucking life on the line for the brother.
What's going on, guys? Ray here, and first of all, I want to give a huge shout out to all you media people, the photographers, the videographers, people that are out there with tens of thousands of dollars worth of equipment, putting their lives on the line to get the shots just for you guys for YouTube. So if you guys see any sort of like content creators media, even if you don't have time to watch it, please just give it a share. What you just watched there, full disclaimer here. No fault to Big Indian whatsoever, because as a media person, when you go to an event and you sign the waiver that pretty much allows you access to the whole track to shoot media, it's kind of on you to kind of watch your surroundings and make sure that you're prepared for if something happens, because in action sports, things happen. What you just saw in that video was me with about $7,000 worth of camera equipment and my drone in my backpack. Get blasted off of a cement barricade. So there was a cement barricade behind two giant tires, and the whole night those tires were taking a beating by the cars coming by. And but this one was a little bit different. And I didn't realize that the two tires, where they split in the center, was right above the barricade. So when that van came around and it hit the tire, it skimmed the tire over top of the barricade and it hit us. I thought the barricade would have stopped it. That's my fault for not looking. But I got sent 3 feet backwards, landed on a few of the spectators there, and yeah. After my adrenaline wore off from the event, I woke up the next morning and I am so sore. But again, would I do it again? Of course. Would I put myself in the same position? Yeah.
And he's got wall points.
Oh my God, Lenny, what are you doing?
So we were at Gushy's Halloween burnout competition at Big Indian. It's an Australian style burnout competition, and if you don't know what that is, in Australia they do these competitions. They set up a course, and there's different zones, and you have to hit all the zones, and it's judged on smoke, crowd participation, whether or not you blow both of your tires, and big entries. Got to have those big entries. And so these guys are throwing it at the wall as fast as they can, getting inches away from the wall, and sometimes things happen. As you can see in this video, all 4 of us went launching about 3 feet, landed on my back, landed on all of my camera equipment, my drone, my lenses. They were all in that bag. Luckily, everything's okay. I'm okay. I'm just really sore after my adrenaline wore off. I woke up the next day and I'm definitely feeling it, I'll tell you what. But again, that's on us, man. The media people, we do what we can to get the shots for you guys. So, make sure you are sharing content. Make sure you are liking our content, subscribing to the YouTube channels. And, yeah, I'm going to be posting a video. I'm actually doing 2 videos. I'm going to do an edited video of all the highlights, the trunk or treat, pumpkin painting, all that stuff from the event. And then I'm going to be doing everybody's full run video, uncut, uncensored, so you can watch your guys' full run. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.